back home. I've been away too long. Gotta find my way back home.
Ten bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, fuck it, man.
Sometimes to win the war, man, you gotta lose a battle. But if I lose a girl, just know my next one gon' be better. When I pulled up to the church, ooh, they thought it was the pastor. Heaven sent, raising hell, same time, well, that's the rapture. Didn't go to class for a second, I swear I would've failed everything. My passport was the only thing I'm passing. Flying overseas, turning dreams into habits, turning coast to first classes. Mom, I'm never moving back, and I put 6 years in the flow. Okay, no wonder it got mastered. The flow need a damn, why it's doing too much damage. God damn, it's good to get it
over. How many times I got to tell you I got a chauffeur? Think about it, think it over. Everything is gonna be kosher. Call me when you getting closer. If you take a text, say how much I owe ya. Don't send me no naked pictures. If I can't get naked with you, this dick deserve recognition. I don't mind paying that commission. Is you with the shit or not? If we ain't fucking it, bitch, bon voyage. How many times I say how many times? Too many times and bitch, I ain't got time.
Pick up for you, don't want a second ring. You been drinking and drinking, you drinking for fun and you drink for a reason. Yeah, leave your boyfriend and call me when you're leaving. Call the shots, refereeing, no drama.